Examine the data in the table below. The inputs represent the number of bags of candy purchased, and the outputs represent the cost. Determine the cost of one bag of candy, assuming the price per bag is the same no matter how much candy is purchased. Then complete the table. That phrase, that the price per bag is the same, represents a linear relationship. So we're going to find a rate based on this table. To find the rate, we're going to do the y divided by the x. We're doing the cost per bag of candy. So we have 5 divided by 4. Now you can either leave it like that or you can change it to a decimal. And if you do that, that's 1.25. So for your rule, you can either have y equals 5 over 4x, or you can write it as y equals 1.25x. Which means for each bag of candy, it cost $1.25. So for one bag, it would be $1.25. For 2 bags, it would be $2.50. For 3, it would be $3.75. And then we're going to continue to add $1.25 for each extra bag. Then it says, can you determine the value of the output for an input of -4? If we put the input, which is an x value, of -4 into our equation, -4 times 5 gives us -20, and then we have to divide by 4. 20 divided by 4 is 5, but we have that negative, so our output would be -5. It then asks us in part C, does an input of -4 make sense in this situation? Can you have -4 bags of candy? No. An input of -4 does not make sense. The lowest input should be 0. Because we can't have negative bags of candy.